Traders, markets are up this morning. On the move this morning, we got quite a lot to the upside. So we got WB here up almost 9%, almost 300,000 traded pre-market in play. EL almost 9% up, over 60,000 traded pre-market in play. NVDA up over 3%, over 200,000 traded pre-market in play. We got quite a few here we can work with, a lot of the big players also here. So let's get to it. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Looks good here for a drop. All right, we're in. We're in at 131.10. Daily does not look good for a short at all, because it's actually bull flagging. It was telling me not to get in the trade, but intraday here, this is a really nice bear flag we got here, and the market is pretty flat, so the market isn't doing much. No wind either way, so we're going to take this around 130.50, and stop loss will be around 131.75 area, about 75 cents each way. If it breaks this area, it should be pretty dramatic. If it doesn't, I think it'll be dramatic also. Here it comes, 130.95. Market is starting to climb, so if this thing don't drop soon, we're going to come out of it. Or if it starts climbing, we're just going to come out of it. But it still looks good to drop. Come on, a little bit more. All right, it's big battle here at 131. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. This thing's taking too long for my liking. All right, we're out. We're out with a 10-cent gain. Watch, now it's going to drop. It's just this stock makes crazy moves, and the daily is super strong. Oh, now it's going to break. See, it's going to break right after I get out of the thing. NVDA, we're going to take this for a scalp here, for a short. Try to pick this up at the highs here. All right, we're in. We're in at 167.19. Daily doesn't look good or bad for a short. It's pretty much been in this area for quite some time, going up, going down. Now it's going up again. But intraday, it is super strong. It gaps up, and it's been being bought ever since the open. So this thing is going to have a sell-off sooner than later, I think. So target on this one's going to be, I like 166.50 area, and stop loss, we're pretty much getting there at 168 is going to be the stop loss. It's not stopping, but I'm going to let it go for a little bit because it's going to pull back. Stock doesn't consistently go up without a pullback. NVDA, let's look at this thing up close here. NVDA, we just popped over our stop here. I want to see a red candle before I get out of this trade. Just too many green candles for us not to see a red candle, so I don't want to get scared out of that thing. All right, we got a pullback here. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with a 50-cent loser. Could just be a pullback here. That's the pullback I wanted. I wanted, like, a quick 75 cents, and I didn't get it, but I got it here, so I got out with a smaller loss. Roku, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We took it earlier, and we took just 10 cents from it, and we took it short, and look at that. We missed all that. Now, this thing is super extended, so we think it bounces here a little bit anyway, so we're going to try to scalp this. Target will be, I like 130 or close to it, and stop loss will be below 128.50. But it is risky because it is downtrending big, but that's a big downtrend there. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. I'll take that, 55 cents. Just in case it continues downtrend, because I'm looking at the market here, and the market is starting to tip. So this could just be a little squeeze, and it turns around and continues downtrending, because that is a big, big drop from the open. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Market's starting to downtrend a little bit. This thing looks a little weak here. It is up for the morning. All right, we're in. We got 100 shares. All right, we're full in. We're in at 223.25. Day looks good for a short. It's been downtrending lately. A couple of small rallies, but Intraday gaps up, gets bought up, and then just starts to drop. We're in the area where it could easily crack the lows. So I'm betting that it's going to crack the lows. Target on this one, I like 222.50 area. And stop loss will be around 224. But the market is downtrending now. It's up for the morning. The market is up, but it is downtrending. So here it comes. Keep an eye on the market. If the market starts to climb, we'll come out of this trade regardless because it's basically following the market because it's up for the morning. Here it comes. All right, here we go. Crack 223. All right. All right, we're going to try to take this here just in case. All right, we're out for another 53 cents or so. NVDA, we're going to take this long right here at the bid if we can get hit. We took it short earlier and we took a loss on it, but this thing is way too strong. We think it climbs over the top. All right, we're in. We're in at 167.58. Looks good here. It tried to drop, so people started going short like I did, and now that it's climbing, all them shorts are going to have to cover. So target's going to be, I like it well over 168, and stop loss below 167, somewhere below 167. But this thing is strong. Market's starting to wake up here, so I think we're going to get ourselves at least a 50, 60 cent winner on this one, especially if it goes over the 168 area. Even if I get back what I lost on it, I'll just take that. That's good. NVDA. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. It's looking good here. Here it comes. To see it once it's over 168, and we'll see what we do with it. NVDA. Having a hard time here at 168 area. If it don't climb soon, we're going to come out of it. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out for about close to 40 cents. I don't know, I see the market starting to put in a red candle, and if this does not go over 168, which I think it should have already, it's going to drop pretty hard. BABA, we're in at 176.74 long. This thing looks good here. It's been climbing steadily for a little bit here, and now it's consolidating in this area here. So we think this thing is going to blast over 177. So target's going to be, I like it 177.50 area, and stop loss is going to be below 176. See if we can get close to a point on this. It's looking good. Market is climbing, so we got tailwind. Daily has been great. Look at this daily. It's just been climbing for the past couple of weeks. Really strong, and it's up in this area here. So if it breaks over this area here, you're going to get a nice big blast over. BABA, it's looking good here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's got a nice steady climb, so we think it continues. I think once it gets over 177, if the market keeps climbing, we'll stay in it. If the market starts to get weak, we'll come out of it. BABA, it's moving kind of slow for my liking, so not much volume. Might come out of it, not sure yet. Once it gets over 177, if there's no momentum, we're just going to come out of it. All right, we're going to try to take this right here if we can at the ask. I want to push this down. All right, we're out. It's just moving too slow for my liking there. Took about 25 cents. And it might climb, it might not, but oh, and there it goes. That's what I was waiting for. I mean, it's only 10 cents, but it would have been better than leaving 10 cents, and there it goes. And coming out of my trades way too early, right at the point where it's usually going to break out. All day today. All day. But that's going to be it for us today. I don't really see anything else here. So we're going to keep it green. We're up 187. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 winners and 1 loser. All small winners. our biggest winner on Roku and our loser on NVDA. Thanks for watching.